Hello YouTube friends. Well, today I have a new brand to me that I wanted to show you guys, and this brand is a store on Amazon that I found, and it's called DORIS and JACKY, and they had the cutest handbags and accessories. So I wanted to show you what I got. The first thing that I ordered was this soft lambskin leather coin purse, and I saw the pictures of it and I thought it looks so cool. It is real leather and it is real lambskin, and when I read the reviews I was just floored. Everyone had really nice reviews for this brand. And then I looked at their handbags, and their handbag styles were so adorable. I mean, totally my style, and I'm sure your style too. So I actually reached out to the brand, which I have never done before. Usually they reach out to me, and I asked them if they wanted to collab on a video for showing the bag and a review, and they said absolutely. So they were sweet enough to gift me this bag, and I'm going to do a review on the bag after I do a review on the coin purse, but I did buy the coin purse first. So it came in an envelope from Amazon, and then it came in this little box. And I thought the presentation was really nice for what you get, or for what you pay actually. I don't have the information on it right now, but I think this was just over $20, and I'm going to put all the links to these items down below. So you've got the cute little Doris and Jackie logo here, and you have a little dust bag inside. Isn't that cute? They have these in so many colors and different quilting patterns. So, you know, this is not the only one they had, but this one matched one of my Coach card cases. So I thought I really like that pattern, so I want to get it again. So open up this. Look at how cute this is. It is so nice. It's kind of a deco looking quilting, but it's really soft padded lambskin. You can see that it's the real deal. Really, really nice. It's got a little leather zipper, and I like the size of this because it's bigger than the traditional coin pouches that we see. So I'm going to totally use this all the time, I can tell. Let's see, it is almost 6 inches across. Actually, it's about 5 3/4, and the height is just about 4 inches, more like 3 3/4. So that's a nice size. I'm not going to do the depth because it's pretty narrow. Let's see how it looks inside. Okay, got a silica packet. Ooh, inside you have a little keychain, which is nice. You could hook it onto something, or you can use it for your keys. And then you've got some leather pockets here for card slots. How nice. And then the rest is lined in like a kind of a silkier twill. You can see that. It's hard when it's black, but that is really cute. This is going to be the best catch-all, or you could use it as a wallet very easily with these card slots. That is cool. And I don't know if you can see, it has the logo down here, and it's just all that lambskin on this one side, and then the other side is the twill. It does make a crinkly sound. They've probably got some sort of plasticky liner inside there in between, but that is really cute. I am happy with that. I love that. Isn't that a pretty kind of an art deco looking quilting too? It's very unusual. Very happy with this. Under $30, you cannot go wrong. That is awesome. So let me show you the bag that they sent me. I am very excited to open this up. I have not peeked yet. This was also just sent in one of the Amazon wrappers, not a box. In fact, I was wondering what it was because I thought, I didn't order any clothes. What is that? But it is padded really nicely inside, so it won't get damaged. You don't have to worry. They have it very well wrapped. I am excited for this bag. I thought the style was so cute, and I hope it's as nice as everyone says. It comes in a dust bag. I'll stop cutting things so I don't accidentally cut the little dust bag. That's nice. That's a nice touch. You don't expect that. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. Oh my gosh. This is genuine pebbled leather. Look how nice. and it's soft. Oh my gosh. So now what does this remind you guys of? Is it the same bag that it reminded me of so much, which is the Coach Burrow bag? But this one has one of those little attachment things here. Oh, this is sticky to get off. There we go. It holds the handles. Let me cut off this wrapping very carefully here. Oh, isn't this adorable? For some reason, I thought this was going to be smaller. I think in their description, it only said that it was about 7 inches across, which sounds really tiny to me. I was even wondering if my phone would fit. But let's see here. So you've got the leather zipper pulls, nice. And you've got the DORIS and JACKY. Oh, this is so cute. Look, it's a little leather purse. Shows you the quality of the leather. Protect your purse from light, heat, and humidity. Avoid letting leather products come into contact with water, greasy substances, makeup products, or perfumes. Clean with a dry, soft cloth. That is nice. So they have it all stuffed nicely. This one also comes with 2 straps. Yes, 2 different straps. Oh my gosh, I am so happy about this. Let me pull out the stuffing so it'll stop being loud. Oh, it is adorable. That leather is nice. The pebbled leather is so nice, and the reviews for it said it was nice too. So I was kind of expecting it would be, but you know how it is when people review things, they're not always to your standards. And on the bottom it has like little pads, little leather pads for feet. But I like that light stitching too. The stitching is done really well, kind of their Hermes looking. But yeah, the style is almost exactly like the Coach Burrow. I'm gonna put it up here, but I like this one better because it doesn't come down so far on the sides, so it won't have that problem where it flips. So inside you've got a black fabric lining. And let's see what's over here. Oh, over here you've got a nice leather pocket. Oh my gosh. It's a nice sized leather pocket, not just for a card pocket. I mean, like you could put your keys in there. And that's it. It's just open. I like that. Let's get the dimensions for you. Let me smell it. Let me do the smell test here. You know how I like to smell the bags. It smells a little bit like, I don't know, like new leather. Nothing bad at all, but I love the little zipper pulls. That's such a nice touch. And then this thing that holds the handles together if you want. I have that on one of my Ralph Lauren bags, so that's a really upscale touch. This is super cute. Okay, it doesn't look as small as the dimensions said online, so I'm going to measure it. It's 9.5 across and 7 inches high, and the depth is 4.5. So that is a really good size. And then let's look at these straps. So you've got a webbing strap with leather on it. I didn't even mention the price yet. I think this was $49.99 is the price. And it also comes in a cream color. It's one of their newest designs. Can you believe that? A beautiful leather bag for that price. I can't believe it at all. And that's one of the reasons I reached out to them, which I never have done before. And I was so happy that they were wanting to collab with me on this. So here's the strap. It's got some leather at the bottom and nice kind of nickel hardware, really strong. So you've got this strap, just so cute. And it comes with another one. Ugh. I am really very impressed. And you know me, my reviews are honest. If I see something janky or if something stinks, I don't tell you otherwise. And this is really very impressive. And then it comes with this strap. Oh, it's so soft. I'll probably definitely use it with this one. This little strap, which is all leather, very soft. It's got the white stitching all over it. And then it also has that nice nickel hardware. Very cool. It's got the, see how many holes to adjust. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. So that's a nice little strap. This is super cute. Oh my goodness, let's put this on here. I am just amazed at how adorable this is. This little set is just too cute. So of course you could wear it without either strap. You could just carry it by the handles, which would be cute too. But it's gonna look so cute with little bag charms on the handles. Let me give you the drop of the little handles. It's definitely not long enough for anyone's shoulder, obviously, but it's about 3.5 inches. So fits nicely in the hand. Lightweight. This is just adorable. Oh my goodness. So I got my 2 pieces here. I am super happy with them. I am going to move into this bag immediately and use it because it is so nice. What a cute bag. Adorable. So I'm going to have their store information in the description box down below, and I'll also put the links to these 2 items as well so that you can get your own or get one of their other items. I am definitely going to be shopping with them again because there were several bags I have on my wish list now from them. I don't know, I just thought the style was so good, and I thought you guys would enjoy seeing them too. So that's one of the reasons I reached out, because I was like, okay, this is our style, right? It's so cute and really nice. I mean, definitely genuine leather and genuine lambskin. So awesome. Very excited to show you this brand. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.